What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today I'm going to show you how to make some stuffed pepper bowls. So, if we want to get stuffed, we've got to go. So, let's get cooking. Good looking. Yeah. That's right, buddy, a stuffed pepper bowl, and you're saying to yourself, like, oh, a stuffed pepper bowl? Man, you got all kinds of things going on there, don't you? Well, yeah, it's kind of like Smash TV, you know what I'm talking about. So, what we're going to do today is put together, it's a stuffed pepper bowl. It has the flavor of the stuffed pepper without actually having to stuff the pepper and take the time to do all that, because I'm in a hurry and I got to get things done. So, like I said, this is a cheap, easy meal, but it's delightful, baby, and full of flavor. But to get that flavor going, we got to get it started. So why don't you go ahead and press that start button there, Sonic the Hedgehog. So, now, first thing I want you to do, got to get that meat, baby, that big, beefy stuff there, baby, like Stallone. Now, take that meat and put it in that pan, and go ahead and break it up with your spatula there, SpongeBob. Now, we are going to go ahead and put some seasonings on the damn thing, and you know how we do. Salt and pepper, just for flavor, good stuff, baby. So, get that salt and sprinkle that stuff right on top, baby. Then, I want you to go ahead and add that black pepper too. You know what I'm talking about? The good. Now, next thing I'm going to add, and the last thing I'm going to add, because it is the last word to me, a Cavender's Greek seasoning. Delicious stuff, wonderful flavor. Ooh. So, put that on there. And then go ahead and let your meat brown. And while your meat's cooking, you can go ahead and come over here and chop up your green peppers. And you're saying to yourself, like, I want green peppers, man. And couldn't you put some different kind of peppers in there? Well, you could. You could put a red pepper in there. You could go as far as to put like onions and, you know, mushrooms and all kinds of shit in here. But you know me, baby. I ain't got time for that shit. So, we're doing it simple and stylish today, like me. So, gonna go ahead and cut up that green pepper. Cut it up into, you know, pretty decent sized chunks there, Now, once you get that done and your meat's good, go ahead and add the peppers to the meat. Let them meat. So, put those in there, stir them around, maybe add a little bit of extra seasoning to your taste. Got to taste while you cook, or how else would you know if it's good? So, once you get your peppers in there, they get kind of soft, sauteed, if you will. Let's get that cheese, if you please. And today, I just got some old cheddar cheese. Cheapo. Good stuff. So, go ahead and take that cheddar cheese, sprinkle it on top, and turn that pan down, baby, because you don't want to burn the bottom. So, put your cheese on top. It's going to melt down, and it's going to be delicious. Now, the great thing about this is you have some leftovers. We can do. I've done several things with this. You can go get some bread and make you a sandwich. You can go get a tortilla and kind of make a little like roll-up deal. Or, my favorite, honestly, just eat it out of the damn bowl. It's good like that. So, we are going to go ahead and get ready to eat it out of the bowl. But first, let's go ahead and take a sight before we take that bite. So, come with me and you'll see a beautiful stuffed pepper bowl tonight, boy. Alright, baby, the time has come. The stuffed pepper bowl is done. And I'm having that first bite for me. So, pardon me while I do. Dip my spoon. Excuse me. Oh, yeah. Good. That's good. You're getting that flavor, man. The beef and the peppers and the cheese. Like I said, stuffed pepper, Philly cheesesteak, vibe, baby. I'm vibing with it right now. It's delicious. And I want to vibe with all of you and thank you for joining me on another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Hope y'all like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, You will excuse me, I got to get back to the bowl, and I'll see you next time. Whoop.